Hello everyone, today we are walking through the Disney's Coronado Springs Resort. So this is a big room with two queen size beds. So when you walk in, this is your first view. So we'll go ahead and walk this way. And in here we have a wardrobe. So let's open that. And then the light turns on for you, which is nice. There's a mirror on this wall right over here. Oh yeah, it's hard to see. It's showing the other door. You have an ironing board. There's a steam iron. They've got some bags, some hangers so you can hang stuff up. At the top, they have an extra pillow and blanket. And near the bottom, they have a safe that you can use. Alrighty, so that is the wardrobe. Next we come over here, we have the ice holder with the cups. We have a Keurig with, let's see, they have coffee and teas. And then you open this door at the bottom and here's your mini fridge. Then let me show this. So they've got the lamp, they've got a chair, this is kind of the desk area. They've got a really big TV, lots of Disney channels, surprise, surprise. Over here, they have some information, a little pamphlet, the remote. They've got 3 nice sized drawers for clothing. And they have this nice ottoman right here, and you go to the trash and they have a slot for trash and a slot for recycle, so that's really cool. Then over in the corner you have the lamp and the chair, and we have a water view in this room. So if you look out this way, this is the view of the room. So if you look over here, there's like cabanas and some woodsy areas. And slowly, I think those are the pools back in there. They have a little white sand beach area, which is very cool. And then they have this giant lake on the property and lots of woods kind of in the background. If you look over here, they've got a little bridge and some more of the lake, some people walking along. And then if you go in this direction, way off in the distance, like right there, is Epcot with the very big ball that Epcot is famously known for. Alrighty, we're gonna move on to the beds. So here are the 2 queen size beds. I'm gonna back up a little bit so you can see it better. Here are the 2 queen sized beds. You got a little mirror over there. So here's the beds. The behind the headboards light up, so that's pretty cool. And then you have your lamp and your telephone, and here is more room. You got 3 more drawers, so that's 6 drawers. Then we're gonna go this way, and there is a very, very large barn door, if you could see. So we'll open it. Alrighty, here's the floor, looks really nice. We've got the sinks, we've got some Disney soaps and whatnot. There's 2 sinks, trash can, lots of cabinets, lots of towels. Over here we have the shower. It comes from 2 different directions, which is pretty cool. So there is the shower. They've got more of like the Disney soaps over there. And then if you go on this side, you've got another sliding door. And over here is more towels, toilet, picture. And then over here, they have the little mirror for makeups. And then they have a really big mirror over here. Alrighty, well, I hope you enjoyed the Disney's Coronado Springs Resort room review.